Once you find your talent, you make that a job, it's no longer a job. It's a passion. It's something that you really enjoy doing.
Middle school students across the Miami Valley discovered their potential and passion through Career Adventures Camp. For the second year in a row, the Dayton Metro Library teamed up with the Montgomery County Educational Services Center, the Dayton Area Chamber of Commerce, and more than 24 partners to help kids begin their workforce journeys.
I got to meet some new people, and then the really fun part was learning more about the field I want to work in.
The mission? To show middle school students the wide array of available workforce sectors right in their backyard, and inspire them to envision their future selves in a rewarding career, all while forming relationships with organizations and people who can serve them throughout their lives.
I want to be an aerospace engineer, and going to the Air Force Museum has reinforced that. Then I started looking in spaceships and airplanes, and I thought everything will be like air travel in the future, so it's gonna be nice to work to build that future.
A week packed full of adventure, creativity, self-discovery, and fun, Career Adventures Camp gave students the chance to explore exciting jobs in advanced manufacturing, aerospace, logistics, construction, healthcare, technology, and many others. Students toured active construction sites, flew drones, experienced virtual reality simulators, went behind the scenes at a water treatment facility and an HVAC sensor lab, and engaged with 3D printers, welding, and CNC machines. The campers completed aptitude and interest assessments and spent time with library, healthcare, and aerospace professionals who demonstrated an incredible level of expertise in each industry.
They took time to think and to write so they could create.
Exposure to emerging technologies, real-time logistics, and the ability to practice soft skills were a part of each day. Middle school is a natural time for students to learn and develop 21st century skills which are essential in the modern-day workforce. Problem solving, critical thinking, teamwork, persistence, and self-reflection are all integrated into the experience, helping inspire campers to create new and meaningful relationships and reveal their passions as they become the leaders of tomorrow.